Let's summarize what we've done today on back-to-back and deferred annuities. These are two-step problems. In order to get them correct, we are going to have to take our time and write things out. Having graded about 5,000 tests testing this, draw a timeline. When people don't draw a timeline and take the time to label it correctly, they usually make a mistake. Circle that focal date. That's an important day. Let's identify those annuities. And those annuities, the first one can often be a compound interest problem. We do it in the same way. We just set payment equals 0. So we look for the problem with only one unknown. And that's the one we're going to solve first. If we have something with two unknowns, then we should solve that one second because we won't be able to do it. An important point, we're going to store those intermediate values with their decimals because we keep those. Unless we're taking money out and putting it in a different bank, we can carry all those decimals with us. Pay really close attention to begin and end. So write that down on your piece of paper, put that in your calculator. Make sure you do that. Think about your counting. And at the end of the day, an important thing is to remember that interest is the money you withdraw minus the money that you put in. That's the same as money paid minus money borrowed. Out and in are just expressions. But if we're borrowing money, we usually write it this way. Intermediate values don't go in here. That's an important thing to note. And actually, I'm going to write one more thing. Round your payments. Because we're going to put in a bunch of payments, but we have to round to the nearest cent because we can't put in a half a cent.